Hey guys, so I went to another one. You know, there's the smoke. Stay down. Look at this. This is so cool. James, I'm not legally allowed to put you in the video. I'm sorry. It's just because it's like a suing thing. I had to learn YouTube's things before I got a YouTube channel. You can check us out though, I guess. Okay. So yeah, shouts to, I'm gonna have to give shout outs because, you know, it makes the viewers happy while you watch this raging fire murder this entire pack of wood. Okay, shout out to the Motivated Gamer. Shout out, oh Jesus, that's a storm of sparks coming straight towards me. Shout out to the Motivated Gamer, and shout out, oh God, shout outs to my channel, my own channel that I have now. I'm gonna post skits on it, and so basically it's called JShark666, and the 666 and JShark are two different things. Oh, look at that. Okay, so and shout out to the Crimson Shark, which is Lewis's channel. He'll probably spell out to you. There's probably a video with it on. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to do it, and you'll see a shout out to either one of our channels because we really want you all to subscribe. Please do. You don't know how much it does. And comment. We want to hear what you do because we're children. Some of the things get disabled because you know the new YouTube rule. But also, yeah. Please like. Again, you don't know how much it does. It's so good. You've made our friends at Panda Vortex of things. Shh. Okay. Hey, say hi to camera.
Oh, hello, camera.
Yes, that is your like calling. Yes, this is good for the vid. Okay.
We have to follow windbreak.
I will be muffled.
You stand still.
I will be muffled because I will have the sparkler bag in my mouth.
I can't.
I don't want to set my fucking coat on fire.
I'm not setting your coat on fire. I'm trying to use you as a windbreak, but the wind is everywhere.
Well, for night time, there's a fucking fire.
It's
way too close to my coat. It's just a bad lighter. It's definitely a bad lighter.
I have to ask Janet for that. I'm not lighting your coat, I promise. Stop moving away from me.
Because I can't even see the way fire.
You don't need to be able to see it, I'm the one seeing it, okay? I bought you this coat, I will not burn it. I spent hard-earned money on this coat.
Of course you can't, because it's not for me. Okay, shout out to Panda Vortex. They don't give us many shout outs, but you know, I'm still going to keep shouting them out. Because you guys made them blow up, and I love you guys for that. So yeah. More skits coming on the main channel. So our upload schedule is going to be a bit different now. So we're going to upload 2 videos each on the main channel with both of us. And on our own channels, we're just going to upload whenever the fuck we want. So our main channel is going to have more content than the middle one. The middle one's going to have like more like kind of like us two. And it's going to be so yeah, we can do like crossovers, but you know, not very much. So yeah, I don't really know what to think, but you know. Okay, you want to see some sparkler content, guys? Oh, you can't see on the camera when it does that, but yeah, this is if you haven't seen one of these before and you've been living under a rock, this is a sparkler. It's going to be in the sky. That's going to be in the sky later on in part 2. Let me just bend mine, because that's what I do. Look. Doctor Strange! Doctor motherfucking Strange! Of course you've got 2, Jake. You always get 2. Yeah, but I have an entire pack, so. Dum, bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Now this is gonna be a cool ass thumbnail, so I'm gonna do this for a tiny bit just to see if the thumbnail gets to it. Cause look at that, that'll be a dope thumbnail.
I'm Doctor Strange! Oh, I went out!
It's a dope ass thumbnail.
What do I do?
Dr. Mother Truckin' Strange. Strange ass doctor.
Just about to go out.
Strange ass motherfucking doctor.
Look, Jane, I want to light a couple more. I want to light a couple more. Just so I can be Doctor Strange. Like, big Doctor Strange. I'm just gonna.
Nope, mine went out. It's gone. Cam reception.
Is yours gone out? Give it to
Yeah, here you go. Oh, yes. Oh no, it's the battlefield. Wait, I'm actually gonna get in the smoke. So yeah, guys. Oh god, that's scary. Jesus Christ. Okay. Didn't expect that to happen. Didn't expect that to happen. But you know, that's good content. So yeah, that happened. I've got that on camera. That's happened to me before, so I'm really happy I got it on camera this time. But yeah, so oh my god, that's boss. Look at that raging firestorm. It looks better from my angle actually. Let me try and woo! Ooh, this one's raging right there. Oh my god, look at that. There's just a tiny fire and that's in the wooden thing. Someone literally just threw a fiery stick in there. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so sorry, but if something cool doesn't happen, I'm gonna have to end it here. I'm so sorry. Oh, that's a whirlwind of fire. So I'm gonna might have to end it here, just for, you know, for the sake of YouTube, because they don't let us do over 15-minute videos. But yeah, I'm gonna have to end it here, so I'm really sorry. Whoa, that's 20. I'm really sorry about it. Please subscribe, comment, like, and subscribe. Please do. You do not know how much it does. It's so good. And guess what? It's my birthday week. So please, please, pluckables, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm gonna try and get a little closer to the fire for you guys. And towards the, okay, that's a lot. Look, that's under the smoke, under the cloud. Okay, it's going back up, but look at that. Guys, that's so cool, right? Oh god, that's not good. That doesn't sound very good at all. That does not look fun. I mean, it's fun, but it doesn't look fun to be in. Like, imagine burning alive in that. Free bonfire, I guess, if someone wants to burn you alive. I'd come. That would be hilarious if there was like if someone was like, oh, I'm burning this person alive. It wouldn't be if I wouldn't come. If it was a real person, but if it's like a fake person, like, you know, one of the people made of straw, then I'd come. Because I'm not a fucking psychopath. But yeah, be expecting a lot of dark content when you come onto my channel, because I'm a pretty dark person. I'm not as dark to actually watch someone burn alive, but I'm dark enough to make a couple like jokes about school shootings and shit. Because, you know, wake up America, watch Bo Burnham. He's a dope ass singer. Bo Burnham. I like how everyone's standing over there and I'm standing here because I want to fucking die. That's a firework. Okay, meet me next time when I do another one. Bye.